Hey, I'm Larry with MaxHome. I'm here with Mike. Mike,
Hey,
thank you for coming. Mike's a design consultant. Before we get, how long have you been with us?
a little over 9 years.
9 years. We'll come back to that. So you have a story you want to tell us about a customer.
Yeah, older customer, right close to the office, I'd say within a 5-mile radius. Mid-70s, they've been married 50 years plus, and they got to a point in their life to where they had one stand-up shower in their entire house, very small home. He was having to help his wife get in and out the shower. She could only lift up her foot this much. They had a 5-inch threshold in their shower, fiberglass shell, and they had a chair, like a stool, there for her. So it was a big inconvenience. There's no way she could do it on her own. And the gentleman walked with a walker. So it was a big deal for him to help her get in and out the shower. You know, so it was strenuous on both of them. So I mean, talking to them, the way they told me the story was, they looked around for about a month looking for a solution. And their daughter came over, found us online, said, hey, give these guys a call. So went out there, talked to them. They explained their problem to me. I showed them what we could do. 2 to 3 weeks later, we were able to go, after the first meeting with them, 2 to 3 weeks later, we put in a new acrylic shower for them with a fold-out teak seat, because it was actually a small shower. So put in a fold-in teak seat for them, grab bars where they wanted them, shower head how they wanted it set up, and a 2-inch safe step, easy step pan. So now, the lady can do it completely on her own without the husband assisting.
So how do you think that changed their life? Besides peace of mind, I'm sure it gives them. How did it change their life?
She was delighted. I mean, she got her independence back.
Yeah, it's incredible when you do that,
it
right?
made me feel great too, just being able to go back and follow up with them also.
So that's the question. So in 9 years, like, can you count how many times you felt that way?
It's about, I'm blessed to be able to say at least, 4 or 5 times a week. I get that feeling when helping people.
4 to 5 times a week.
Yeah.
Yeah, it really is. It's incredible. And like how we change people's lives and how we make them happier.
Yeah, it's incredible. That's why I've been here so long. It's rewarding.
Yeah. It's rewarding to have you around here for 9 years, Mike. Thank you, man. Thank you.
Appreciate it.
And thanks for watching. MaxHomeNow.com.
Max Home, making homes happier.